Most people think AI is just making work faster, but something much bigger is happening right now. AI is not just helping marketers anymore. It's starting to run operational side of influencer marketing entirely. And honestly, I think most people have not realized how massive this shift is actually. Because I recently found out an AI agent called AHA Creator, and it might completely change how creator campaigns work forever. If you ever worked with creator, brand, or sponsorship, you already know the real problem is not finding the right influencer. It's the endless execution work afterward, outreach, follow ups, negotiation, tracking content, checking the deadline, receiving draft, making sure the post actually go live. Most teams still manages all this manually, and that creates a hard limit. A human marketer can only manage so many collaboration at once before everything becomes a chaos. But now AI is starting to handle that execution layer itself. And that's where this gets interesting. So the platform I've been testing is called AHA Creator, and they don't position themselves as another SaaS dashboard or influencer tool. They describe it 24/7 AI agent for influencer marketing, meaning human focus on strategy and decision making while the AI handles huge part of operational work. And according to the company, as you can see over here, they got already 80,000 registered creators, access to a database of over 5 million creators globally. That actually insane scale. Here's why I think this matters, because most influencer platforms still work like this databases. You filter creators, export leads, then manually manage everything. But AHA Creator is trying to automate the execution itself. For example, you can describe the type of creator you want in plain English, and the AI starts building creator matches automatically. Then it handles outreach workflows, follow-ups, timeline management, content tracking, even review system. That's completely different model from traditional influencer marketing workflows. And honestly, this is probably where the entire industry is heading. Let me show you the example. After signing up on their platform as a brand, you can create your campaign over here. Just click on the campaign, create a campaign button over here. Then you need to put your website. It will take some time to set up the camping for you, and as you can see over here, you can also check out the past stories about the brands that promoted using this platform. It will take 40 seconds to setting up your camping, and after sharing the basic information, you need to set your matching accuracy, as you can see over here, focus mode, scale mode, and maximum scale mode. Then after selecting your accuracy over here, you need to click on next. Then you need to select your locations and all. Then you need to select your languages that you want to promote. Then it will show you your previews if the brand fits the channel or not. And you can click over here, match or not a match. If you click on match, it will show you the related channel. As you can see over here, I will click on match. Then it will show other channels, not a match. This is a match, this is a match. So after that, you will click on next, and then you need to fit your budget and results. As you can see over here, you need to total influencer payment is, you can select up to $20,000 or $50,000. It's up to you. So as you can see over here, this is the estimated price. After reaching out to the influencer, it will show you the exact price. So after selecting all the influencer, you can just click on release, and it will release your campaign, and it will notify this type of influencer, and then they will get back to you with the accurate price and all. Another massive bottleneck in influencer campaigns is content review, especially at scale. Imagine reviewing hundreds of drafts manually. That's brutal. Our creator says their AI can automatically check creator draft against campaign requirements, including key messaging, structure, compliance, and campaign alignment. And instead of just rejecting content, the system gives optimization suggestions too that could save teams an unbelievable amount of time, because more marketing delays don't happen from strategy, they happen from operational overload. And honestly, I think the biggest takeaway here is not just one company, it's the direction entire creator economy is moving forward. We are entering a world where AI handles repetitive operational execution while human focus on judgment and strategy. Because at the end of the day, the most valuable marketers don't be ones sending the most emails, they'll be the ones making the best decisions. The teams already using system like this probably don't talk about it publicly, but over time the execution gap between AI assisted teams and traditional teams is going to become massive. I don't think AI can replace marketers, and I definitely don't think creativity disappears, but I do think manual grinding layer of influencer marketing is starting to get automated very quickly. And platforms like our creator are probably an early look at what future actually looks like, especially if you're running creator campaign at scale, or if you're a creator trying to connect with brands faster. This space is evolving way faster than most people realize. If you want to check it out yourself, visit our creator and explore the demo environment. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about the AI agent will completely transform the influencer marketing over the next few years, or are humans still going to dominate the entire process? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.